Naranasan mo na ba yung may gusto kang simulan? Business, vlog, fitness journey. Pero ang iniisip mo, hindi pa ako ready. Marami pa akong di alam. Wala pa akong gamit. Masyado pa akong mataba. Tapos, habang pinag-iisipan mo, may ibang tao na ginagawa na yung iniisip mo pa lang. And guess what? Hindi din nila alam agad lahat sa business. Wala pa din sila halos gamit pang vlog. Nagtatyaga na sila sa gym kahit malakas pa din sila kumain. Ilan na kayang opportunities ang pinalampas mo kasi hinihintay mong maging handa. Pero in reality, hindi naman dumadating yung perfect moment. Ikaw ang gumagawa nun. Habang busy ka magplano, mag-explore, may ibang taong busy na mag-execute. Introducing the minimum viable mindset. Instead of waiting for the perfect plan, perfect skills, or perfect timing, gawin mo kung anong kaya mo ngayon. Ganito rin sa business at product development. Instead of launching the perfect product, successful companies start with a minimum viable product. Basic pero functional. Tapos ini-improve pa unti-unti habang ginagamit ng mga customers. Ang MVP approach na to ay sobrang popular sa mga organization na gumagamit ng Scrum. Isang agile framework na ginagamit para sa mabilisang iteration at feedback-based improvements. Hindi sila nagbibuild ng perfect product bago mag-launch. They release something that's working, collect feedback, and then adapt. At gaya ng MVP, pwede mong i-apply to sa iba pang bagay. Minimum viable strategy, minimum viable communication, minimum viable experiment. Basta ang goal, simulan mo muna, tapos i-improve habang natututo. Alam mo ba na ang Instagram nung una, hindi talaga Instagram. Ang pangalan niya dati, Bourbon. Isang complicated na check-in app. Pero napansin ng founders na mas gusto ng users yung photo sharing feature. So they scrap everything and focus on that one thing. Result? Instagram became one of the biggest social media platforms in the world. Hindi perfect nung una, pero dahil sinimulan na nila, may nadiscover silang mas magandang direction. So, paano ka magkakaroon ng minimum viable mindset? Ito ang pwede mong subukan. Number 1, start small but start now. Hindi mo kailangan ng grand launch. Mag-focus ka lang sa pinakamadaling first step. Parang itong channel na to. Number 2, learn by doing. Mas matututo ka sa execution kaysa sa kaka-research lang. Number 3, iterate and improve. Hindi mo kailangan maging perfect agad. Pwede kang mag-adjust na lang as you proceed. You don't need to be great to start, but you need to start to be great. So, ano pang hinihintay mo? Meron ka bang plano? Do it scared. Do it broke. Do it tired. But do it nevertheless. And then, let the good things unfold.